2018 Dodge Journey. If you guys have a Dodge Journey and it says negative 40, I'll open the dashboard very quick so I can show you guys. Even if the switch off, it'll say negative 40. You see on the corner where it says negative 40? That means your sensor is bad, ambient sensor. And your air conditioning might not work if that's bad. So if it says negative 40, we gotta check the ambient sensor. They go in the front. Lower condenser by the grill. Every car has it by the front condenser, radiator fan in front by the bumper. And the lower part of the bumper. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Look, negative 40 is supposed to be like 80 degrees outside. It's not negative 40, guys. It's hot. So yeah, negative 40 right there. I'm gonna show you what it has to say. Here's a Nissan Altima. Like I said, all the vehicles have the sensor in the front bumper, guys. So if you have that issue and you don't know why it says negative 40, just watch my video. Follow, subscribe. Look, this one's gonna say, look, watch. Whenever it says negative 40, that means your sensor's bad or a rip cable or something. 83 Fahrenheit, okay? I'm gonna show you guys right now live how you fix it. And when you got a part used at the junkyard, which is that sensor that I'm telling you guys about, right here to get it out. Where's it at? Where's it at? Here we have it somewhere. We got some sensors. Here it is. See? Ambient sensor for outside temperature. So, you seen this is negative 40. Hit the like button, subscribe. Now all the Jeeps, some of the Jeeps, older models have it. You have to remove this molding and it has it on the side. Right here on the side, you'll see it, the sensor like that. Okay? We need a flat screwdriver to remove them. These I'm gonna reinforce them so they don't come off or jump off. But if you don't have your bottom inner liner like this one, see, look, there's a sensor right here. You could pull it off. You know, it's clipped on. And this sensor is damaged. I would say, oh, look, there you go. You see right there the tip? It's damaged, that tip. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna see if the one I got, it's the same compatible sensor, which it should be. Let me just remove it. I have to push the clip up like that and then push it out like this. Let me see. There you go. With one hand, it's kind of hard, guys. All right. So there you go. I removed it. Now let's put the new one on. There you go. So if your car's a Honda, Dodge, Chrysler, should be the same sensor. There's the new one on. Depends on the model you have, but it should be the same connector. So if you go buy one I use, I pick apart, you know, should be the same connector, you know. That's that one. This is the old one. Now let's go see if it says the actual temperature gauge, which is like 80 degrees. Look at that, guys. Told you. Easy fix. You know, save money. Don't take it to the dealership. Just look at the sensor yourself. If you see negative 40, it'll mess with your AC. It'll stop working too. So just change this, okay? Buy a used one, 10, 15 bucks, or new, 20 bucks, 15 bucks, same thing. You go. I bought a used, but like I said, easy fix. Now we're actually getting 88 degrees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is your friend Sam. Here we are working on a Dodge Journey 2018, guys. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. Thank you.